Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Bio Explorer. I am the Mujjaratna. This is an educational channel and this channel will be very useful to improve your biological knowledge. Today in this video we are going to talk about another two main organelles found in a cell. They are mitochondria and chloroplast. Mitochondria. It is a double membrane bound organelle found in most eukaryotic organisms. It is also one of the most common organelles. The number of mitochondria in a cell can vary widely by organism, tissue and cell type. Mature red blood cells have no mitochondria. They also vary considerably in size and structure. Unless specifically stained, they are not visible. Mitochondria are called as the powerhouses of the cell because they produce ATP molecules which supply energy needed for most of the cellular activities. A mitochondrium is composed of compartments that carry out the specialized functions. They are outer membrane, inner membrane, intermembrane space, cristae and matrix. The inner and outer membranes are composed of phospholipid bilayers and proteins. The two membranes have different properties. Outer membrane is smooth, but the inner membrane is convoluted to form cristae. Outer membrane consists of a large number of integral membrane proteins called porins. The gap space in between inner and outer membranes of the mitochondrion is called intermembrane space. There are few types of proteins in the inner membrane that contribute for the electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation which produce ATPs. Inner membrane does not contain porins and is highly impermeable to all molecules. Cristae increases the surface area and they contain the stock particles. Cristae enhance the ability to produce ATPs. The innermost part of the organelle is known as mitochondrial matrix. It is enclosed by the inner membrane. Matrix is composed of 70S ribosomes, hundreds of enzymes, circular DNA molecules, they are called mitochondrial DNA, and phosphate granules. Those enzymes are essential for the reactions in Krebs cycle in cellular respiration. We will study about cellular respiration in future videos. Functions of mitochondria: synthesize ATP in aerobic respiration and involved in photorespiration. Chloroplast. It is a biconvex lens-shaped organelle with two membranes which is found in plants and some protists. A chloroplast is a type of plastid characterized by its two membranes and a high concentration of chlorophyll. Chloroplast is the organelle that do photosynthesis. They are only found in plants, algae and in some protists. Chloroplasts are considered to have evolved from endosymbiotic cyanobacteria. All chloroplasts have at least three membrane systems as outer membrane, inner membrane and thylakoid system. Small molecules and ions can easily diffuse across the outer membrane, but it is impermeable to larger proteins. The outer and inner membranes are smooth and are separated by a narrow intermembrane space which is about 10 to 20 nanometers thick. The inner membrane regulates the entry and exit of materials. Thylakoids are small flattened and interconnected sacs. Light reactions of photosynthesis take place in thylakoids. Thylakoids stack on top of the other to form grana. Grana may contain 10 to 100 thylakoids, but grana with 10 to 20 thylakoids are most common. The grana are interconnected by intergranal lamellae. They extend as large sheets perpendicular to the grana columns. Thylakoids stacked in grana contain complexes called photosystems, which are made up of photosynthetic pigments such as chlorophyll and carotenoids. Those pigments are able to absorb and transfer light energy. There are two types of thylakoids as granal thylakoids and stromal thylakoids. Granal thylakoids are stacked in grana, while the stromal thylakoids are found in the stroma. The fluid outside the thylakoid and within the inner membrane is called the stroma. It contains circular DNA, 70S ribosomes, many enzymes, starch granules and lipid droplets floating in the stroma. The Calvin cycle of photosynthesis takes place in the stroma. The main function of the chloroplast is photosynthesis. We will discover more about photosynthesis in future videos. So that's for today. Hope you enjoy this video and gain lot of interesting facts about mitochondria and chloroplast for your biological knowledge. So please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. See you in the next video.